This is so good. I made some sauteed chicken. That's chicken breast from Mary's Chicken. Great chicken. Some sauteed onions. So I mixed it all in at the same time. I gently sauteed the onions and then I added the meat because I have it thinly sliced. And then added salt and pepper to taste, a little bit of wine, white wine. And I added some sliced zucchinis, bell peppers, and cremini mushrooms. And this is so good. I'm going to add some of my enchilada sauce, which is going to make it even nicer. But I may not have to do that because I may just want to do the salsa, but you can add some chili powders if you want. This is like a really quick fajita, and this is more of a blender. I'm going to serve it with, I'm going to serve it with tortillas that I made, and basically with some oil, flour, all-purpose flour, which is unbleached all-purpose flour, oil, baking powder, non-aluminum, a little bit of salt, and did I mention oil? And then some warm water, which is going to stretch the glutens and make it really pliable. I made small amounts of them, and they're very thin. And then this will be good with avocado salsa. And it's going to be, yeah, it's a really quick, easy meal to make, and anybody can make it, and it's satisfying and delicious. Okay.